Welcome to Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace your headlight bulbs on a 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord. This one specifically a 2016. Let's get to it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do the driver's side. You have this space right here. It might be easier to take this battery sensor cable off. So just go ahead and pinch the tab, pull it back, and just kind of set it to the side. It's going to give you a little bit more room to get your hand in there. The bulb itself is actually right here for the low beam, which is what we're going to be replacing. Okay, now before we go ahead and twist the bulb, we actually have to release the connector here. Pull it, push on the tab, and then pull it down, and then twist it to the right, or to the left actually, just like that. Pull it out. All right, and put the new one in. Twist it until it's straight, and then plug the connector in. So you hear a click. There we go. That's the driver's side. Now we're going to go on the passenger side. Make sure to plug this back in before you go to the passenger side. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and do the passenger side. It's actually a lot easier than doing the driver's side because you have a little bit more space. So we're going to go down here. Bulb is actually right there, really easy. Again, we have to go ahead and unclip the connector. Pull it down, and then twist it to the right. To the left. Pull it out, put the new bulb in, twist it till it's straight, plug the connector in until you hear a click. That's it. Thank you for watching Mobile Car Mechanic. We just completed a light bulb change for the low beams on a 2016 Honda Accord. It's going to apply from 2013 to 2017. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.